Welcome! If you've been using Telegram Web lately and noticed that blurry effect behind messages, you're definitely not alone. It's part of a newer interface update, but not everyone finds it helpful. The good news is you can turn it off in just a few clicks, and I'll show you exactly how to do it. First, go ahead and open Telegram Web on your PC using your browser. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access the settings. Once you're inside, look at the top left corner of the screen. You'll see three horizontal lines, sometimes called the menu icon. Click on those lines to open the main menu. From there, find and click on Settings. This will take you to a page where you can customize how Telegram looks and behaves. Now, inside Settings, scroll a bit until you see the section called Animations and Performance. Go ahead and click on it. This area controls how smooth or dynamic the interface feels, including visual effects like transitions and blur. Next, look for a setting labeled Interface Animations. Under this section, you'll find an option called Message Blur. This is the feature responsible for that blurred background effect behind chats. To disable it, simply toggle off the Message Blur option. Once you do that, the change should apply immediately.